This is a Pasco compression sleeve puller, and it's something you're going to need if you've got an older house and you've got all these compression fittings on all of your shutoff valves. And this will come in so handy to get these things off of there. This costs about 25 bucks. You can get it on Amazon. I looked at Harbor Freight and Home Depot. I couldn't find one, so I had to buy it on Amazon. So anyway, I want you to imagine that this is coming out of the actual wall, and and this is your water. You've turned your water off. You've cut, or you pulled off your your valve, right? So we pulled this off. We've uncoupled it, right? And now we've got this here. And of course, this is going to be behind it like this. But you don't have to worry about this because this will slip right off. And then this is going to go on the inside here. You see this right here? You got to get that on the inside of that thing right there. And then what you're going to do is it's going to, well, let me go ahead and, I'm going to go ahead and pump it forward a little bit. All right, so what I did was I slipped it right over this. All right, let me show you again. I got too much shit in the way. All right, so this has got a little thing on it. So that fits right on there like that. But usually, this thing's a lot longer. I got it cut off, but I'm just going to show you how it works. So what we're going to do is we're just going to rotate this forward, just like this. And what's going to happen is that compression sleeve is going to catch on that little area right there. You see that? And then all I've got to do is just slowly turn it. And you can see it's coming off, right? See that? And as I turn it, it gets closer and closer to the edge. And look how clean that copper pipe looks there. Shit. That would have been so nice. Wouldn't have had to use the emery in the other way I did it. And so as I go farther, what's going to happen is this is going to come right off. And that's how you get your compression sleeve off, with a Pasco compression sleeve puller. A little bit farther, we're almost there. Bam. And then, just pull it off. Oops, apparently not. We're going to have to get back on there and do it again. I like to show you all the screw-ups because, because on all the other videos, these guys, they're showing you all this stuff, and it's really, everything works. And they never show you the screw-up where it doesn't work. So let's get right in there. I'm going to push this down so it gets in. And now we're just going to try to get it off the edge. I think we should be able to do it. There we go. It's almost there. Come on, man. You can do it. See that? Keep going. See, it's pushed through there. So I can see. So this is things that happen that they don't talk about in the darn videos that they make. So you got to move it a little bit, and then we'll go again. And there we go. We got it off. So that's it. That's how you get the compression sleeve off. It kind of leaves a nice clean piece of pipe there. And then let's go ahead and pull that out of there. Drop her down. We don't want it on there. Now it's stuck on my thing. It's stuck on there. Oh shit. See, there's another thing you don't see on other videos. See if we can get it off. Oh shit. That's not good. Huh? See? Well, they don't tell you about that part. Be careful not to cut your finger. Oh, there we go. Come on. I don't want to come off of there. Let's back it off and see if we can pull it off with the channel locks. There we go. Yeah, so, so these are little things that happen that they don't tell you about. It's ridiculous. So Pasco compression sleeve puller. So the compression sleeve just kind of pushes up against this, and that's what protects the water, and that goes in like that. So anyway, we got that done. Those are your pieces that are left. Let's put them over here. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out the other videos that I do stuff I've never done before, and you can too.